Radians and degrees. We know that a unit circle is 2 pi radians or 360 degrees, and halfway is pi radians or 180 degrees. This enables us to make the equivalent statement that pi radians is 180 degrees. We can use this to convert between both radians and degrees. In our first problem, we're going to be converting degrees into radians. Here we have 60 degrees, which we will multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees, and the degrees will cancel each other out. This will get us 60 pi radians over 180, and simplified, pi over 3 radians. For problem 2, we're converting radians into degrees. Here we have 5 pi over 4 radians. We will then multiply this by 180 degrees and pi radians. The pi's will cancel each other out, and multiplied together will equal 900 over 4 degrees, which then simplifies to 225 degrees.